Let's create a stunning dinner within 30 minutes. The main ingredients are vegetables and feta or feta-like cheese. The preparation is simple, cut everything into big pieces except the garlic, and I always remove the middle of the tomatoes. Cutting everything takes about 5 minutes, and it is very important to check how salty your cheese is before you start seasoning. All you need is a nice amount of olive oil, salt, pepper and oregano. Simply you need to mix everything together to combine the taste of the ingredients. And then into the oven for 20 minutes. In the meantime, cook some spaghetti. After the oven, the vegetables should look like this, and I moved everything to a pot to be easier to use the hand blender. And blend everything until it's smooth enough. For more delicious food ideas, subscribe and check my other videos. And of course, as always, you will find the recipe in the description. Decorate with some fresh basil and enjoy!